everyone, and welcome to my channel, Proudly Pidginated. I'm so excited to have you here. Welcome to my channel, and thank you for stopping by. And if you're out there wanting to learn some Nigerian Pidgin English, you've stopped on the right spot. Because on this channel, Proudly Pidginated, I help you with your Nigerian Pidgin English journey. Something like that. So, welcome. Today is my second video. Wow, this is getting interesting. So, on this video, we're going to be talking about sounds, pigeon sounds. And don't forget to click on the subscribe button if you're already enjoying this. So, today we're going to be talking about Nigerian pigeon sounds. Just a couple of sounds, and we're going to practice them, right? There's so many things to learn in Pidgin English, Nigerian Pidgin English. And so we're going to start off with the very basic sounds, and then a couple of words too. Because, I mean, it's kind of nice to already start saying some Pidgin words. So the first sound we're going to make is this. Can you try that? There are different variations, but it's just, you can just say, means surprise. If you're surprised, and if you hear something surprising, the first thing you would say would be like that. Okay, so let's break it down. Slower. Can you try? Can I hear? Yeah. Now faster. So that's sound number one. Means surprise. What? 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 That's what it means. Sound number two is I'm telling you, this is real. Like, this is totally real. So when it means come on. Oh, come on. Come on. Come on, but you promised to take me. No. But you promised. No. No, what for you? No. We say that. Meaning, come on. And that sound that we make is It can mean different things. So, can be like an introduction or an invitation to listen to some gossip, like some hot gossip. My dear, sit down. If I tell you it's not here yesterday, wallahi. Or something like that. Oh my goodness, just saying these words kind of make me laugh. But it's cool, I like it. Okay, so another word that we use again to show that you understand something or that you're following someone is like someone's talking to you and you want to show that you understand what they're saying or that you're following along. You would say something like, Can you try? Blah, 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 did that. Some guy did this thing, whatever it is. You would say, meaning, really? Really? Can you try? Really? Okay. So then, like I said earlier, there are some Pidgin words that you have to say. We say it all the time. The first one, I already said it earlier today. I said, now wow. Now wow. So, now wow, it helps. It's like it's used as an emphasizer, like you emphasize something. So it means wow. Now wow means like wow. It adds emphasis to something. So for example, you want to say, if someone, if you heard something good, it could be good or bad. You say, oh, that guy, that guy that was, really sick is now feeling much better. No, that's not a good example. What would be a good example? Did you hear so-and-so just got married to so-and-so? Now wow. Now wow. Okay. You can also use now wow like in conjunction with you. Like nawa for Yusuf. Like Yusuf. Yusuf is another word meaning you. Like, you're like naughty you, something like that. You naughty person, or you crazy person. Like Yusuf. Nawa for Yusuf. When you say nawa for Yusuf, it means like, oh, you're like not so nice, or why'd you do that, or that was not so nice. Nawa for Yusuf, right? Another word that we say is okay. 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 It's easy. Can you try? Okay and oh. Okay. Oh. But together it's okay. Okay. Not okayo. Not okayo. But okay. 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 Let's be watching now, Abby. So these are some of the words that we use in Pidgin English. Just imagine you can sing Burger Boy songs and Davido songs, and you can sing Tenny songs, and they use all these words, So give it a go. Let's try again. I'll do a quick recap. The first one. And then the words. Now wow. Now wow. Now for you. Now for Yusuf. Now for Yusuf. Okay. Okay. How was that? What did you think? Can you try that? Did you try it? Did you like it? Was it fun? Was it difficult? Was it easy? Don't worry, it gets better. I promise. So if you're liking what you're seeing and hearing, please go ahead and click the like button and subscribe. And of course, hit the notification bell. That way, the next time I upload, you get first dibs. How's that? I'd love to hear from you. Do you have a Nigerian friend? Do you know a Nigerian person? Are you married to a Nigerian person? Like, tell me, do you understand the pidgin they speak? And are you looking to wow some people with your pidgin skills? Stay tuned if that's the case. And see you next time. Later. Bye-bye.